Chapter 10 AIS Safety Navtex Radar Overlay Settings. How to send an AIS safety message. If you are using the Trackball Control Unit RCU026, remember to display the software keyboard button before starting this procedure. For this, press DISP on the instant access bar and then software keyboard icon. After that, select On to turn on the software keyboard. Then follow these steps. In the Voyage Navigation mode, click the MSG and Safety MSG buttons on the Instant Access bar to show the Message dialog box. Next, click the New button. At Send To, select where to send the message. Select Broadcast to send the message to all AIS-equipped ships within communication range, or select MMSI and enter the MMSI of the ship where to send the message. At Type, select the type of message, safety or binary routine. At Channel, select the channel to use to send the message. At Description, enter the text of your message. Having entered the text, click the Send button to send the message. How to manage received and sent AIS safety messages. To display the message dialog box to view a message, click the MSG and Safety MSG buttons on the Instant Access bar. Click the Receive box or Send box button as appropriate. Click a message to view its contents. To delete a received or sent message, follow these steps. First, click the Receive box or Send box as appropriate. Click the box that is before the date to show a checkmark. Finally, click the Delete button. To delete received, sent messages permanently, first click the Trash box button. Then click the box that is before the date to show a checkmark. Finally, click the Delete button. Navtex messages. Follow these steps to display or delete a Navtex message. First, click the MSG and Navtex message buttons on the Instant Access bar. Then click the message to view. The text of the message appears in the description box. All messages can be checked or unchecked with the context-sensitive menu. For this, right-click the box to the left of Date, then select Select All or Deselect All as applicable. To delete, click the Delete button. Radar Overlay. How to set up the radar overlay. Radar echoes can be output to the ECDIS and shown on its display. To activate and set up the radar overlay, follow these steps. 1. Select the Echo page from the Overlay or NAV Tools box. 2. Click the On or Off button at Display to show On, Radar Overlay On, to get the overlay. 3. Gain adjusts the picture gain. To adjust, put the cursor on the slider bar and roll the scroll wheel. 4. Transparency controls see-through behavior of the radar overlay. 5. Priority sets the priority between chart object and radar echo when an object and an echo share the same position. Select the one that is to have priority. 6. Click the Antenna drop-down list to select the radar that is to feed radar echoes for the overlay and TT. Settings menu. How to access the Settings menu. The Settings menu provides file import and export, testing facilities, display, keyboard, self-test, customizing, screenshot processing, and CCRP selection. How to access the Settings menu. 1. Settings menu access button. Click the button, then select Settings to open the Settings menu. The message shown below appears. Click the OK button to open the Settings menu. 2. Settings menu display area. The settings menus appear here. 3. Page selection buttons. To open a page, use the page selection buttons to select a page. Then click the tab of the page required. The color of the border of the page selected is light blue. Kindly refer to the manufacturer manual for SAR functions, record, playback functions, navigation sensors, alerts, parameters, how to synchronize chart-related data between ECDIS units, maintenance and troubleshooting.